Hi, I'm Ridhi, a messy teenager, aware but not in control. This is my first YouTube video, so don't expect polished motivation, just real stuff that's working for me. Because honestly, self improvement online feels fake. Everyone looks like they've got their life together. And I'm falling behind, I overthink, doom scroll, procrastinate. But I found little ways to cheat the system, mostly using free AI and some tiny hacks. And maybe this helps you too. Problem 1, overthinking. I just can't with my critic thoughts. So, when I can't stop overthinking, I dump my brain into ChatGPT. I literally type all of I have in my mind and tell it to give me one solution and calm me down. And again, right prompts matter a lot in the case of AI. And yes, it might sound dumb, but it clears my head. Sometimes I even ask it to reply like a best friend instead of a bot. And suddenly, I feel less stuck. Problem 2, consistency while studying. Yes, studying. So I use ChatGPT like a tutor. Ask it to act as a certain person like the best tutor. And also, if I don't get something in class, I ask, explain this like I'm 10 years old. No judgment, just simple answers. And when I can't plan my day, I tell it, make me a 2-hour chill study plan with breaks. And yes, there we go. Problem 3, focus and phone addiction. Okay, so my biggest problem, and I'm sure it's yours too, is scrolling. I lose hours. So I downloaded Forest, free app. You plant a tree, it grows if you don't touch your phone. If you quit, the tree dies. Weirdly, that guilt worked better than any motivational quote or videos. My focus still sucks, but at least I'm better at consistency than before. Problem 4, proper journaling and self awareness. I hate journaling because I never know what to write. So I asked AI, give me 3 journal prompts for when I feel lost. And then I just answered them. It felt less cringe, more like a conversation with myself. Slowly, I started understanding my own patterns. So, no, AI didn't fix me. I'm still messy, still lost, but these little tools stopped me from spiraling. If you're also a teenager aware but not in control, maybe try this. Not to become perfect, but just to feel a little lighter. And if you want, stick around. We'll figure it out together.